This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 12 of building the Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. Another fairly quick build episode, but not, I fear, the quickest one. This time we are fitting to the interior door panel, which has already got the little lock knob up there. We're fitting what I believe will be the door release. So this is going into there a bit like that. And is held in place with one of these screws with the built-in washer, PS08. So if I can get just one of those out of the packet, that will be a win. And that will go in there from this side. Probably easier to put it in there a little bit first without it being in the black thing. There we go, and then we can locate that down where it needs to be and properly tighten it. It has it at an angle, somewhat like that actually, in the actual picture. So that is where I'm aiming. If I can tighten it down, no, that's as tight as that gets. So it won't actually lock in place there, but I'm thinking when we use the next bit, when we get the two of these screws out, there we go. Oh, they're tiny little screws, aren't they? I shall use a tiny little screwdriver for those. Let's get out my smaller version, because this is going into the back there. Let's see, it's not even attached, but that will be attached because that's going in there. That's going to feed up through there, and that will stop it from escaping. So you've got the, must be the door handle, the door release in there, and that is being held in place with these two tiny screws. Either side, one either side, you know what I mean. Get that lined up with the hole. We'll go through from the back, as will the other side. Now this might actually be the quickest video this month. So what I am going to do, once I've got this in there, seeing what it looks like, I will have a look at the magazine that's supplied in this issue. Because there's only one magazine per 4 issues, and I picked the video that I think is probably got the least build content. I can't, it's going to take longer to build this than anything else now because I can't get that screw in there. So whether that works or not, we'll say it worked. There we go, that's got in there now. So that is that all done and dusted in there. Next time we will be fitting this to the outside part of the door and basically finishing the door off. It's a quite an easy door on this one, not like others that have got working windows and things. So not too much going on in there. So that is now, it moves, but it's secure, and you've got the little handle there for closing the door. So that is that. Let me bring in the magazine and we'll have a look at what it has to say this month. And here it is, issue 4 of the build, the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. Experience Eleanor's magic. Assembly videos are available if you want to watch them, or you can watch me. This is the bit that I did last time with the window, all going together with the window and the hinge. Today's fitting of the handle. Next time's fitting of the sort of interior panels for the door, and fitting the door together so it's all one unit, which then gets covered over by screw holes, obviously get covered up. That's what we're left with. And then the last one is doing the rest of the driver's seat. We've got the back we've already got. Yeah, we're building the base of the seat now, which is basically exactly the same as the back, but hopefully built with more competence, because I know what I'm doing now. You don't. Licky and his dream. I don't know who Licky is. Getting behind the cameras and coming to the film drawing. Oh, he's the director. There we go. Making a unique car, the star of his first feature film. Yeah, well, it worked. Here we go. We've got Dominic Senna, the director of the second Gone in 60 Seconds film, I think. There we go. 60-second files, behind the scenes of the original movie. Feel free to read all of those. And the cars with women's names. We've got the 1998 Mercedes-Benz 600 SL called Ellen. Is that because it's SL? Ellen, maybe, might not be. We also have Shannon, the Plymouth. That's that one. It's quite a pleasant colour. Yeah, I don't know about for driving around, but it's certainly noticeable. That is it. 1964 Mustang convertible pace car for the Indy 500. And that is that. Next dispatch, not the next issue, because I've got 2 more issues to do on this one, but it looks like basically the exterior door, the window, the interior door, and the panels. So we're basically, in the next issue, the next pack, we will be building the other door. Always good to do that. So that's it for this build. I shall see you next time for the interior panels. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.